Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I've got the very best and the latest of vacuum mop technology. I'm excited to show you the Dreambot W10 model. This is a self-cleaning vacuum and mop, and it vacuums and mops at the same time and cleans its own mop and dries the floor with hot air at the same time. The Dreambot W10 came right to my door. It arrived right in that pretty box. I put the box on my counter so I can show you different sides of the box. The box was designed so well with the information and the features and the look of it. It would make a really nice gift for someone. I opened the box and it was packaged really well. I took everything out. Everything was all wrapped well in that plastic. This is what it looked like on my counter out of the box. And then I took the plastic off so you can see every component of what I got. Never before has a vacuum done all those things at once. Let me show you how it works. The Dreambot W10 works on all surfaces. It vacuums with a 4,000 PA suction. A normal robot vacuum has a 400 to 500 PA. That's enough. But the Dreambot W10 has 4,000 for the highest of suction power. That means it can deeply clean the place that needs cleaning. The dust cleaning is up 80% from the old style of robot vacuuming. And all that garbage collection, that's up 30% because it has more suction to get that up into the machine. And with that 4,000 PA suction power, it'll clean record fast, much faster than the old robot vacuums. And to mop, you just fill the tank up with water. It has 3 different settings, low, medium, and high. I filled mine all the way up. It takes about 1 gallon of water, and that means it can mop for a very long time. So after filling up the tank, I put it into the machine. It snapped in just like this, really easy to fill. I could have used soap, but for this demonstration, I'm just using clean water. That's good enough because the Dreambot W10 will heat that water when it cleans the floor, so I don't have to have any chemicals in this robot vacuum and mop. That's a plus for me. To have the Dreambot W10 mop the floor, you just put on little scrubby pads. It comes with 2 of these scrubby mopping pads. They are really thick. They have a lot of texture to them, and that's a new innovation. It's just not a little thin piece of fabric. So I've placed my Dreambot W10 in this upstairs bedroom I have. That bedroom floor gets so dirty. When I have guests stay in my house, that's the one they stay in if they have dogs, because this Dreambot W10 is really great to get up pet hair and pet dander. I wanted to show you a really good demonstration. So I scattered some crackers and then some chocolate powder to make chocolate milk, because you know that could get so sticky, and that happens on floors. Oh yeah, there's a little ramen down there too. All of that is pretty heavy stuff for a vacuum to suck up. So watch how the Dreambot W10 goes and vacuums that, and at the same time mops that with that 104-degree water. It's gonna pull up all of that. That floor is going to be not only vacuumed, but mopped and dried all in one. I love that mop auto drying feature. It goes under the bed even. You never know what's gonna make it under that bed. That's where a lot of pet hairs and dust bunnies live. I even sent it into the bathroom for a clean. I like that it can clean that bathroom and not me. And with the bumpers all around the Dreambot W10, when it hits a piece of furniture, it doesn't do any damage. It navigates right around that. It's a smart vacuum. The Dreambot W10 also has a mapping system. So as it's cleaning this floor, it has an advanced LiDAR navigation and a SLAM algorithm, which facilitates fast scanning. That's a SLAM algorithm, and it can save up to 3 maps, which make for really efficient path planning. And that means you save a lot of battery, because it'll know what that room looks like, so it gets through it in quick time. And it builds that map by itself, so it gets to know your house. Every time thereafter, it's gonna have the most efficient way to clean your house. That's amazing. And you can name those rooms. You can say, go clean the master bedroom, or go clean the living room, because you're gonna know, oh my goodness, the kid just spilled the popcorn. We gotta get that cleaned. This Dreambot W10 also works with Alexa, so you can tell it to do just that. And you might be having company coming over, so you want the living room done first. It can get to the kids' rooms later. I love that it can prioritize what room it's going to clean first. Downstairs in my living room, it gets really messy because that's where everybody hangs out. There's a lot of different textures and carpets in my house, and in my living room, there's a big thick carpet. So for demonstration purposes, you will see a lot of that chocolate powder and a lot of those crackers. Look how easily and fast The Dreambot W10 gets that. That suction power does terrific. It gets all of that up. So in the family room, it's got to navigate over my little ottoman in front of the couch, and it knows how to do that. This is not a really spacious room. There's some space, but it's not that big. So the Dreambot W10 can figure its way out and does a really good job of cleaning this room. And that's just with the vacuuming power. No mopping needed on carpeting, of course. And under dining tables, there's always a bunch of stuff and sticky stuff from spilling from kids, friends, and the Dreambot W10 did a really good job of going through all those chairs. Check that out. It knows how to navigate, so I don't have to move those heavy chairs. And I used to always have to do that to sweep or mop. And can you imagine, with one swash over that area, it is vacuuming and mopping. And that's a linoleum surface, and I put some sugar down there and crackers. And you know, sugar with water would make it a sticky mess, but not with the Dreambot W10. That mop at 104 degrees with only water sucked up the sugar and mopped it. So it is clean underneath that with no stickiness. Trust me, that's amazing. Did this area very efficiently, didn't take much time at all. And then it was gonna go and do a little more vacuuming. Check out how this barrier of the different textures, it doesn't matter. The Dreambot W10 will go from the linoleum right up to the carpet. Isn't that amazing? The battery here has 210 minutes on it, which means it can clean a very large house. Because my house has 2 different floors, I put another one in my kitchen because the kitchen is the dirtiest room in my house. If you watch my channel, you'll know that. The battery is extra large. You can get 210 minutes off one battery. If you had a single-story house, that's enough to get your whole house every time. My kitchen always needs the vacuuming and the mopping feature. I just find it fascinating to see how it goes back and forth in my kitchen. It's so fun to watch this. I thought I'd get in its way and see what would happen. So I tiptoed to it. There's my little toes. It bumped up against me and it didn't hurt my toes. That was fun. It finds all the stuff that falls from my refrigerator, under my stove. Those under-counter surfaces get hit really great by the Dreambot W10. Because of its thin, sleek design, it will get under my counters in the little crevice by that baseboard. What an easy way for me to keep my kitchen clean. And the reason it can get under all those things in my counter is because it has a D-shaped build, and that D-shaped robot design makes it easier to clean the edges and corners. A lot of robot vacuums are just round shaped. No. This is a D-shaped. That makes it much more efficient to go in under those rectangular areas, under counters, and by baseboards. And because of that D-shaped design, it's able to have an ultra-wide brush that's about 8 inches. That means it has a broader sweeping range and it covers larger areas. A lot of hair isn't going to clog it and make it difficult to get the rest of the debris. And a lot of my bathrooms have a lot of my hair on the ground. That's okay. This vacuum is designed to take it. As I was vacuuming in this bedroom, I loved that the display panel was showing me what I was doing. I could look at that and read it. The Dreambot W10 is also a very quiet robot vacuum and mop. Even when it's mopping, it is hardly making any sound, so it's not going to disturb me if I'm reading a book or doing something else. Here is the main body of the self-cleaning robot vacuum and mop, and this is where it's going to charge. I wanted you to see the size of it on my counter. I opened up the top so I could show you where the clean water would go and also where the wastewater would go. That's how it comes shipped. There also are 2 mop pads, and there's a side brush. To attach the side brush, didn't take any tools at all. It just snaps right in place. And the power cord has one end that goes right into the machine, and the other side is what gets plugged in to your normal household outlet, 110 volt. If you open at the top, there's a Wi-Fi indicator in there, and that's how it works with Alexa. It also has a reset button, it has a return to base sensor, it has a bumper, it has an outlet speaker so it talks when it's working, if you want it to do that. And the cover is high quality. And on top of that cover are the sensing mechanisms, as well as on the sides of it. Underneath, I turned it over because I want to show you the underside. You can see the main brush, that's the 8-inch brush down there. And the side brush, there's the wheels, and there's brush guard clips around those wheels. There's some magnets and a little auxiliary wheel. And on the sides and in the back are cliff sensors, so it doesn't fall off stairs. It's really user-friendly with those cliff sensors, so it won't go off stairs. And to clean the tank, it's so easy. You just pull out the dirty tank. And to open it, you just unsnap it. I did a lot of mopping today. It got really dirty. So down the drain it goes. and there's a little residue. So I'm gonna clean that out. And I'll pop it back in for next time. And now we're gonna clean the dust and the dirt out of it. So I pull it out. This is what the top looks like. These are the controls over here. The power on, go back home and clean if you wanted to do that manually. But now we're gonna clean it. So I pick up the lid and I'm gonna take out the dust filter. One of the accessories is a little brush, so you can clean that out with a little brush. That's all that chocolate powder. And I wanna show you everything I picked up from my floors. It has 2 arrows to show you the direction to pull it to clean it, and that's all it collected inside. Wow, look at that. There's pet hairs and everything else from that carpet. Even some paper it got, and a spider. Oh my gosh. So that's gonna get thrown away. And now let's clean that inside filter. You pick it up by the side, you clean it out like that, just give it a tap, brush out the extra dirt. Mine was extra dirty for the demonstration purposes. It's usually not this dirty. I would clean this every 2 weeks. That's all I would need to do it. And then we can clean the filter. And I just used a brush to get that out. And to finish up, I'm gonna wash it in water just in my sink. It's so easy. I give it a good rinse. And the filter too. Look at how that cleans so quickly. And I'm just gonna let this air dry until I use it next time. But it needs to be dry before you put it back in your machine. And with a damp paper towel, I'm also gonna wipe the inside. That chocolate is just really messy. Bing, good as new. And now we're gonna clean the underside. We've got the brush to clean. And when I take the mops off, because I only use the mops.
Mop pads removed.
When I'm mopping, it even knows the mop pads are removed. So next time it's just gonna vacuum. It's not gonna try to mop. I love that. It's so smart. And to clean the brush, remove the outer piece with your fingers. It snaps right off. And you pull the brush out. You can clean the interior casing just with a paper towel. And the rest, we're gonna use the accessory to sweep a little bit. And the cutter edge of the accessory will remove some of those carpet fibers that got stuck in it. And of course, pet hair and human hair, easy. It just slides right through and gets all that, which I'm so happy. I like to clean it quickly. And this accessory is fabulous. And back in it goes. This piece is gonna go on this side, fits right in there, and dropping it right to there with the outer casing snapping right back in. And there you have it. Click link below to get your Dreambot W10. This is the best self-cleaning vacuum and mop I've seen yet. I'm so thrilled with new technology. I had reached out to Dreambot to sponsor this video, and I'm so glad they said yes, because it's truly amazing. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell to get notified of the next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is for a clean house the easy way with a Dreambot W10. See you next time. If you like this video, there's some more over here that you might like too. Just click one of those.